Big news, you know that we are moving. Well, today we're gonna show you part of the place that we're moving to. So, spoiler alert, we're moving into a rental for a certain time period while we potentially build a house. So that's kind of the plan. One of the problems that we've identified is that both of the girls, Claire and London, would like to pick out their room, and they both would like first dibs on which room they want. Is this correct?
Yes.
They both have very compelling arguments of why they deserve to have first picks. So London came up with a great idea. It really was your idea, right?
Mm-hmm.
Her idea is we're gonna walk through separately. So I'm gonna take London through.
No,
And yeah,
I should go first.
London's going, why?
Because
It was my idea.
I should.
It was my idea. Give me a reason.
We're going to paper, rock, scissors.
No,
battle.
God, no, it was my
Yeah,
idea.
no paper, rock, scissors.
It was my idea.
London, we have determined, is going to go first. But it really doesn't matter because one person's gonna sit in the car. We're gonna go through the house, look at the 3 bedrooms that are potentials, and then we'll swap out and have the other person go through. What the hope is that the number ones are different. If they both choose the number 1 room, we're gonna have a problem. And we're gonna have to figure something else out. So let's go look at the house. Let's show you the rental house and let's pick out some rooms. This will be fun, hopefully. All right, London, come on in. Welcome to our new house.
Awesome.
So far, what are you thinking?
It smells really good.
It's brand new. This is a brand new house. Nobody's ever lived inside of it. There's a little sneak peek of this area. Very, very nice. All right, okay, so the bedrooms you get to choose from are upstairs. Let's go upstairs and figure out which ones you like. Look at this big old room. It's like a big old living room, and we've got a gorgeous view outside of Red Rock of southern Utah. It's really nice. We're not used to having a second level, really. Bedroom number 1 is, this is bedroom number, wait. Now I'm confused.
Why are you confused?
I don't think this is bedroom number 1. Come over this way. This room is bedroom number 1.
Oh, okay.
Oh, it has nice, I didn't know if we'd have blinds or shades.
Ooh, let me look out the window. Oh, rocks.
All right, this would be called bedroom number 1. Nice, good sized room. We've got a closet over here that has plenty of room for different clothes and shoes. And then you've got a bathroom right here with double sinks, a toilet, a shower, and a bathtub. Pretty nice. And then it does have a door that goes out to the living room. So it's a private bathroom, but semi-private, we'll call it, because you can still access it from right here. Room number 1. I don't know if this is one of the bedrooms. So let's go to the other side. That is a bedroom.
What else would it be?
I don't know. I don't know if it's one of the 3. Okay, here we go. This one is bedroom number 2.
Ooh, this is much more spacious feeling.
Nice fan up here.
My bed will take up this whole wall.
No, it won't. This is a good sized room.
This is a convincing one. I think this one's looking pretty good.
Okay, go look in the bathroom. We have got a nice 1 sink, a toilet, and a bathtub and a shower. So this right now is better than number 1. And then this is another closet in here.
Whoa,
I mean,
this is huge.
it's just as big as the other closet in the last room.
I know, but
same
I didn't
size.
look at the other one.
Oh,
This
okay.
is like a nice.
All right, so bedroom number 2. Let's go down the hallway down this way. That is a upstairs laundry room, which I thought it was downstairs, but I guess not.
Whoa, that's a low. That's a lot.
What? Why is that closet so big? That could be one of the options to sleep in too. That is huge.
Oh,
Oh, it keeps going. I had no idea this was here.
this is really helpful.
Why is this closet so big? This could be a bedroom or like a secret room.
That's a lot of storage space.
Let's go to bedroom number 3.
Oh, this is nice. This is I like this actually. This one's very cute. I like this one. Even though it's like not as big, I feel like I don't know how to fit my stuff in here though.
Let's look at the bathroom.
Okay. Oh, this is cute tile.
Oh, it does have cute
Ooh,
tile.
no, not this one.
Oh, this one does not have a bathtub, only a shower, but it's a walk-in shower. Yeah, full-on walk-in shower with a door, but no bathtub.
No. Actually, I feel like it could be looked over.
Go into the
It's a
closet.
really nice room. Oh, that's a pretty pretty good size. That's really large.
So that's room number 1, 2, and 3. This is the big living room upstairs. So it turns out we have an extra bedroom upstairs that I didn't plan for. So I'm gonna call this room number 4, but this room does not have a bathroom attached to it. It does have a good sized closet. This could actually be an office. I totally forgot about this room.
But this should not be an office.
This could be. So anyway, we're gonna call this bedroom number 4. I don't think any of the kids are gonna choose that one. Lincoln gets to choose 3rd, so he gets whatever's left. All right.
Oh, that's...
Thoughts on the upstairs of this house? Better or worse than you thought it would be?
I think maybe better.
Better?
I didn't expect this big space, so that's really nice.
Overall, the house?
What?
You happy with the house?
Oh yeah, totally. That's what I've seen so far.
Okay, you gotta rank your top 3 right now.
I need to like walk through again.
Okay, all right, go walk through real quick.
This is hard. This is very difficult. This is like a perfect room. Like this is the best room. But I don't know about, actually, I feel like it's pretty nice. I think this is my number 1.
Don't be think, you gotta really choose and lock it in.
This is my number 1. This is my number 1 bedroom.
Okay, she just changed her mind. She said she thought maybe this one isn't her number 1 because it's too dark in here. But then I opened up the shades and reminded her that in the morning the sun's gonna be coming in this way. 2, 3, 1 for her. This is her number 1, room number 2. She should have come up with different names. Now we gotta go get Claire. Welcome Claire to our new home for a while. This is the kitchen. This is the living room.
Yeah.
What do you think about it so
Good.
far?
I want to see the bedrooms. Like,
Oh, I
I'm
know.
ready to choose.
You're just dialed in. You don't want to see anything else at the house.
Good.
Just the bedrooms. You're on a mission right now. Okay, we'll go upstairs. It's all upstairs. Claire's not messing around. She wants to get the room that she wants and she hopes it's not the same one. Okay, take a right and then take a quick left. This we're gonna call room number 1. Closet, bathroom with 2 sinks and a shower and a bathtub. This is another bedroom, but this is technically room number 4 because it doesn't have a bathroom with it. All right, so that's room number 1. You got all that you need from that? That was quick.
Yeah.
Look at that view out here. Look how pretty. Okay, let's take a left. That is a go walk down there. We just noticed that. Everybody's like, what is this?
What is this for? It's for like...
Big storage, I guess, which is helpful. Oh, is that one the same? This room, it would be number 3, is what we're calling it.
I think that door is really small.
For the closet?
Yeah, it's like...
It's a good point.
Really small
That is really
for some
small.
reason.
This one, I'm just gonna give a little bit of my opinion. I'm not supposed to give any opinions.
Yeah.
But I really like that it has a full shower without a bathtub because you can just shut the glass door and it gets hot and steamy in there versus just a bathtub where you have the curtain we'll have to put up.
Yeah, I might need to get one of the bathtub though because I need to do ice baths for dates.
You have to do ice baths?
Yeah. Well,
Okay.
I don't want to get injured.
Okay, so this is room number 3. Now take a left and then go right. This is room number 2.
This is, okay.
Yeah,
Did London choose this one?
I can't tell you anything.
Okay. Oh, it's trampoline.
So room number 2, yeah, there's a trampoline out there. It has a pretty view. Those are the 3 with bathrooms. You could choose room number 4 that has no bathroom.
Laundry room?
That is the laundry room.
Like
So,
for the whole house.
I think so.
So it would be really loud.
so you will hear the laundry when it's going. It'll be wah, 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 shaking and all that stuff right there.
Okay.
Yeah, because that is a spot. So I guess 1 and 2 would both be brighter in the mornings.
So what is this?
That's a bedroom that I didn't even know that bedroom was there
So it's
until we
like-
came through.
Could I have 2 bedrooms?
No,
So if this is
Why would
a
you need
guest
2 bedrooms?
bedroom, then no one would use it.
we'll use it for something. We'll either do guest bedroom or office or something. So this bathroom's not as private because it does have a door that's separate here, but it's
Yeah.
bigger with the 2 sinks.
Yeah, I think this one feels a lot bigger for some reason, but I don't want it because it's loud. Probably. I know, London wants it, and you're making faces like, are you sure about
I'm like,
that?
I don't know. I do know.
This
but
is kind of out in the corner.
I like how the hallway of this one's longer to get here.
Yeah.
It's kind of hidden and there's no master below it. There's no laundry machine. You do have the outside traffic though. I'll walk through all the rooms. I'm gonna wait here and you make your decision. It's decision time. By the way, check this out. Look at the backyard. We've got artificial turf, a trampoline, all that is turf. So we can like chip and hit golf balls along back and forth into like a net or a bucket or something. And check this out. Close. And that just closes. I really hope they don't choose the same ones. Yeah. And it's close. Claire looks like she might go the other way. And how does she know? How does she know that one's London's? She's so smart. I didn't say anything. I was thinking this one would be good right here.
The creepy closet.
You wouldn't have to worry about the sun.
Oh my. Yeah, I like this one because the sun isn't there and there aren't people under me, right?
No one.
I kind of wanted a bathtub though. But let me just come over here.
Okay, here we go. Here's top 3. Let's name them.
My top 3? What do you mean?
Top 3. I gotta write them down.
I want is that one.
Okay, that is room number 3. What's your number 2?
That one.
Room number 1. Okay, whichever ones, if you guys don't choose the same ones, let's see, let's call Lyndon. Come on in. If you guys choose the same room, we're gonna be polite and we're gonna figure it out.
I hope we get to choose.
If we chose different rooms, let's not make fun of the other person and say why they chose the wrong room. Yeah?
Okay.
Agreed?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Can I guess which one she chose? Just like out of curiosity. I
Well,
don't
you know which one I chose.
Did you choose number 2?
What?
Number 2, the one with the.
Wait, can I guess which one she took?
Yeah, choose it. Guess which one she
She
chose.
took the one with the walk-in shower.
Number 3.
Yeah. Which one did you take too?
You guys
Did you
both
take
picked each other's. Yes, that was it. You chose 3 and you chose 2. Separate rooms.
Oh, thank goodness. I wrote a whole thing in my notes app on why you should give it to me, just in case.
Okay, we did it. We did it.
Yay.
Okay, so you get room number, this is locked in stone right now.
thank
You get room number 2.
Wait, no. I get.
You get room number 3.
Yes, I am.
This was a success. I am not as stressed. Okay, before we leave, let me just show you the kitchen or the master real quick, just so you see it. Oh look, there's laundry machines down here. That's good.
Wow, right up. Wow, that's not crazy.
We have 2 spots for laundry. All right, so this is the master bedroom.
This is like the same size as one of the other rooms.
It's pretty close. It does feel a little bigger actually.
Oh, wow.
Well, I don't know why there's no, oh there is.
I've seen the pictures.
We got a bathtub.
Oh, wow, what's that?
Ooh, these are nice. These cabinets are nice.
Well, that's a big
We can put stuff
closet.
inside of that.
Oh,
That's
so
really nice.
fancy. That's awesome.
Oh.
That's really cute. Good job, you guys. I'm so happy with my place.
Let's look at the shower. No shower door. Gonna be chilly, but 2 shower heads, but it's gonna be cold in there without a door. Big old closet. Wow. Oh, wow. Oh, it keeps on going. This closet's huge.
Oh, it disappeared. Oh my gosh.
It goes all the way around the corner. Like I can put stuff here, and there's even outlets.
Wow. Oh my goodness. We've got a lot of
Isn't this
storage.
nice?
That's perfect.
I am so happy that they chose different rooms. This was a success. Thank you, London, for coming up with this idea.
Yeah.
And get ready for more videos. We're gonna do a full tour, all that stuff. I gotta show you the backyard. Look at that. Look at all that turf. It's so fun. It's so fun. It's uncomfortable to have to move from a house that's our dream home that we've been in for a long time and wait until we build something else or move something else. But if you're gonna have a landing spot, I can't ask for anything better. This is really, really nice and I'm super grateful to have it. So more details to come. For now, the war has been averted. And just for fun, this is us from the future, a month or 2 after we filmed this entire video. We moved in and this is London's room. She chose it, she got it, and this is it. And it looks very similar to her last room, except every nail that we put in the wall, how much is it, London, do you remember?
$50.
$50 for every nail hole once we move out of this place. So we put a few things on the wall that are just like on there with very soft tape that don't cause damage. Also right here, oh, we can't show all this. It's her vision board. It's her vision board of what's happening this year. But London's done a really good job. London, what's the inspiration for your design in your room?
Probably flowers. I like
Flowers.
flowers.
How about ribbons?
Yeah, I've got a lot of those.
Lots of ribbons, look. Ribbons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6.
And there's one right there too. And right there.
7. Where? Oh, 8. Wow,
Yeah.
the camera can't even keep up. There's so many ribbons. So far, are you happy with your decision with the room that you've chosen?
100% because it is the best room. It's so nice.
Were you girls nice to each other about the rooms, the fact that you chose different rooms and everything?
I was very nice.
Good job with your room. It looks great. Bye-bye. See ya. And now let's take a look at Claire's room. This is the room that she chose. And again, same thing. $50 for every nail on this wall. And if you remember Claire's room in the last house, It was so beautiful. I had Louis Vuitton on the wall, mice on the shelf. She's got her bed, her dressers, and then if you come over here, some nice things. This is cereal, Lucky Charms. Oh, what the? I thought it wasn't real. Is this real?
It's a wax cereal type.
What? Okay. All right, Claire, explain. Let's go to this area. Show us what's going on here. What? Why did I dump out the cereal? Come to this
This is
level.
my corners, my Lucky Charms stuff. I got this cool thing from my friend that turns into Loki if you move the cereal box.
Let's see it. Show it off. Pick it up and show us what you're talking
This
about.
goes like this.
Turn it. Oh, there's Lucky Charms guy. There's Loki.
Yeah, so
That's
I
cool.
love this. And then there's Loki, and then this is Sylvie. And then my craft stuff, my book I'm reading.
Oh, you're really good at crafts.
It's not really crafts, it's just my marker.
Yeah, just your markers. Okay.
And then this is my Billie Eilish corner. Usually I have my crystals in a circle, but I haven't.
Billie Eilish corner right there.
Yeah.
And the lion from Kenya.
Yeah. And then I still have my other stuff from the old house just in the corner here.
Oh, let's see that. Okay, that's a good point.
Yeah.
Need some light. Oh, you do have fun things. That's right. So as soon as you walk out, okay, let's do this again. So as soon as you walk out of the room, this closet is always open and it still has her mice. The mice are here. They're still there, everybody. Don't worry. Don't get too concerned. Okay, overall, how happy are you with your decision about the room that you chose?
I'm really happy about it because I love this little corner because it's like in the middle of like no one else comes over here ever, so it's really nice.
Yeah, that's great. You did a good job. No regrets.
Nope.
No regrets. That did not go focus. Let's go look at that. Look, oh, I almost burped. That was nice. Bam, 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 bam.